Okay, I'm gonna make an updated tutorial. All I did so far was put on moisturizer and color corrector. I recorded that, but then I realized I had to wet my beauty blender, so I started over. But I was saying I really like the color corrector that I have. It's only $3 from LA Colors. And I really like it. It does the job and it lasts a long time. And I can't do my makeup without it. Like, even if it's like an everyday, like right now I'm just going to the mall, so I don't need to do a crazy face. So this is kind of like a good face for like what you could do to the office, just like an everyday light in the morning. This is my new concealer, the Kulfi. I think it's called like Main Match or something. I really like it. I also have the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I like that one too. Sometimes I mix them because this one's a little bit darker. But right now I'm tan, so it doesn't matter. I can just use this one. I just do a little bit here and a little bit like up. And then, as you can see, I made, I'll tie my hair back. I made sure not to put it like right under my eye, because then it looks too heavy. So what you do instead is, while you're blending, you blend up and in circles. So you like diffuse it and you're not getting like a ton of product right under your eye, because it's a really like sensitive part of your face and the skin is really thin, so you don't want it to look like it's too much. Like it'll crease and stuff. You don't want it to look like that. So I bring it like down my nose more, and up around my eye, but after I blended it out, so it's not like, I don't put it right here, you know? Okay, looks good. And then you put on liquid blush, which is the one we have. Just put a dot here and a dot here. And sometimes I'll put this on like with my concealer and just blend the two together and then put more blush on top. That works too. This is light, and then honestly, I would put on more blush than you think you might need, just in case, because it like fades throughout the day. And this lighting isn't great, but I'll show you how it looks in like natural lighting at the end. Okay. That is my blush down here. Let me kind of show you. Like, now I'll use the powder that I have, the One Size setting powder in translucent, so it's not in a specific shade. I just take like actually the smallest amount, because when I put more powder on my face, I tend to like look dry. So I put it here, like I said, and here, because this is where I feel like makeup gets in, like stuck in my face. I just bought this powder, but I seem to like it so far. And it's supposed to be really good, so I like it. Okay, that's good. And people put it under their eyes, which is fine. For me, I find that that makes it crease more, so I just try not to. Maybe like with the leftover I have, I'll put it there so it doesn't go away. Like it stays there all day. But yeah. And then I have powdered bronzer. So this is where I put it up under my chin, on my forehead, to blend this line together. And then maybe like a little bit down the side of my nose if I like lost color there. Okay. Good. Now, powder blush. Let's find it. I have this MAC one that I like. I've had it forever. But I like it a lot. Now for the eyes. I'm not doing kajal or anything today, but if I was doing kajal, I would do that right now. And then curl your eyelashes. I'll bring you in here. Okay, look. You get your eyelashes in between this machine, and then you press. You see how it's curling them? And then you can, I know you don't like eyes, so I'll close my eyes. See the difference? I'll do the other side now. Okay. Mascara. Oh, I'll show you the eyeshadow real quick. So this is like a fluffy brush, and then the eyeshadow that I use right here. Okay, so I have this little like thing. I use this shade in the middle. Honestly, this is still a little dark, but my other palette is like in the bathroom. I don't want to get it. So I literally just bring it in and like go up and in the crease of my eye. Like up a little bit and in the crease of my eye. So look at the difference between this eye and this eye. And then like I'll clean it up a little. But like it just looks like there's more depth. I'll do the other eye. And just be like light-handed with it. And then if you feel like it got a little messy, it looks like too much, you can easily just put like another thing of concealer like right here, unless you already put powder there. Then you would have to figure that out. Just put like a little bit of concealer and just like blend it in again. If you feel like you got messy with that bottom line. I personally think I did okay, but I'm just showing you. So then that is like a straight line again. And then mascara. So you would curl your lashes right before you're putting on mascara, so after you've done everything else to your eye. Eyeliner, kajal, eyeshadow, yeah. And then I'll show you how to use lip liner, just so you know. I have, oh, and then this is when you would use like your brow gel too, just like last. Some people do it first though too. I don't think it matters. Okay. Lip liner. Okay, I have this brown one. I'll just show you how to use it. Okay. So line your lips. and just put more in the corners. And then let's pick a fun shade that goes with this brown color that I picked. Okay, this is a lip gloss, but it's a like pigmented lip gloss. I can just wear it as a lipstick. So this is a color that if I wore on its own, it would be too light for me. But because I have a dark lip liner on, it like looks good. But you could also put on lipstick and then lip gloss on top. Right now I'm just doing like the one for both. And then I have it on and then you blend it like this, and then it looks pretty. And then use setting spray. And I'll show you in the lights. Okay, well it's still drying, but